Valentine's Day is emerging as the third largest gifting occasion in India. It is thus recognized as a key opportunity for brands in the Indian market, particularly on digital. And so, this year, Haptik and Mondelez joined hands to tap into the potential of the season of love in a one-of-its-kind association. Here's how it worked. Haptik created a dedicated chatbot called the Valentine's Day Special Store to connect and engage with users across their massive partner network. The chatbot offered gifting options and romantic tips specially curated by Mondelez. Users were prompted to choose from chocolate options according to their budget and could easily make purchases at the push of a button. Even non-buying users had a takeaway in the form of Valentine's Day tips, which helped boost Mondelez's brand recall. The brand was able to reach approximately 5 million users through this engagement, and the response was overwhelming, with over 50% hailing from Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai. Out of the total viewership, over 4% of the users were interested and actively engaged with the chatbot, and about 60% of these inquired about the product. The activation was a resounding success, resulting in Mondelez overachieving the transactions by 1.7 times, generating 67% higher sale value against the plan. Additionally, in comparison with video ads, the chatbot activity showed major advantages, doing 7 times better in terms of conversion and a dramatic 16 times better in terms of time spent. To sum up, in just 10 days, the campaign exceeded the expected target by 50%, establishing the chatbot activation as a promising, profitable way to engage with digital markets.